Hello, my name is Kalyani Umrani. I run an international institute in Pune by the name Impression International Academy. We offer online and offline courses. I'm into this industry for last 25 years. Uh, Such videos what we are creating are about the courses what we offer, because generally when people inquire with us on a website through some references, and they just take a brochure or they just get to see the syllabus, but they exactly don't know what is involved in that class. I have created one more video purely in Marathi. If you're not good with understanding with English or maybe Hindi, you can watch that Marathi video too. So ये वीडियो में हिंदी इंग्लिश रहेगा ज्यादा. So let's begin. So the workshop what I'm going to explain is the HD airbrush makeup masterclass with international brands. So why have we designed this workshop? There is a level which comes in every makeup artist life जब उनके clients उनको कुछ extra demand करते हैं which is to the existing market trend. Like आप अगर makeup artist हो और ये वीडियो सुन रहे हो तो शायद आपके क्लाइंट ने आपको कभी डिमांड किया होगा कि आप एब्रश मेकअप करते हो क्या, आप प्रोडक्ट्स कौन से यूज करते हो, बिकॉज द कस्टमर इज गेटिंग मोर एंड मोर स्मार्टर, बिकॉज they are exposed to Instagram, they are exposed to the advertisements, to the online portals where all good brands are flashed. So the customer is bound to ask you कि आपके पास products कौन से हैं, and if you fail to answer that, and if you say no, I do on non HD, or I just use the Krylon, or the basic ones, then I think the customer will judge you based on the products what you use. And second most important thing, आपके जो results दिखते हैं on your Instagram, social media, जो भी है आपका Facebook page है, Pinterest पे आप हो, the results also what it shows, डेफिनेटली एक एचडी प्रोडक्ट्स में और एक नॉन एचडी या एक इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड और एक नॉर्मल ब्रांड में बहुत फर्क है. ओके, सो आइए देखते हैं ये अपग्रेडेशन कोर्स क्या है. पहले तो ये कोर्स किसने करना चाहिए? दिस कोर्स इज नॉट फॉर एवरीबडी. दिस कोर्स इज स्पेशली फॉर पीपल हु वांट टू अपग्रेड, जिनको मेकअप का एक अच्छा खासा नॉलेज ऑलरेडी है. अगर आपने इसके पहले का पार्ट 1 नहीं देखा है, विच इज बेसिक टू एडवांस bridals, then I would request you to first watch that, because that's very very important to get your foundation right. आपका जो बेस पक्का होना चाहिए, जो what we call as the ABC of makeup, that has to be perfect. Then you can go for this makeup class. So definitely this makeup class is not for everybody. Okay, so how to prepare a proper base with different HD products. इसमें Krylon के भी हम लोगों ने HD products involve किए हैं, MAC है, then Huda Beauty है, Ferrarusi hai, lot of good brands. Okay, Bobbi Brown hai. Then introduction to HD, non-HD, how to understand. Okay, then as I said, the brands are mentioned over there. What is sheer coverage? What is full coverage? You need to know the difference in all. As you have seen, the makeup has evolved a lot for these number of years. पहले makeup ऐसे रहता था जो दिखता था, those Eastman color movies, to that 90s era, and then 2000, and the makeup has gone very very refined. So आपने देखा होगा कि जितना makeup evolve हो रहा है उतना refine हो रहा है. Okay, उतना bright या dark नहीं हो रहा है. Okay, I'm excluding the eye makeups what are coming in, but I'm talking about the overall look and feel. जो भी client आपको approach करता है, everybody wants to look natural. They don't want masky and cakey makeup. They want to look beautiful. They don't want to look made up. So with right knowledge of products and techniques, you are going to learn a very good, difference between what work you were doing earlier and what you can achieve after doing this class. See, I am a big believer of cheap and best will never exist. You cannot expect best result in makeup using a cheap product. So you will have to work on premium products if you want to have those world class, the Bollywood kind of makeup looks, or what your client is showing you exactly when they come with a reference picture. Because everybody nowadays, nobody will come to you without googling a kind of look, or without looking at your reviews, or without looking at your work. So whatever the client demands, client ने आपको कुछ भी डिमांड कर दिया कि मुझे ये टाइप का मेकअप चाहिए, तो आपको वो आना चाहिए. Okay, at least you should know, even if you don't have the product that time, you can always invest according to the client's requirement. So this is the biggest takeaway from our classes, is like, we don't push you to buy any products, we give you all the products for practice. So whatever you have seen in the video earlier also, we give all the products for practice. यहाँ पे भी मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी कि कितने सारे products हम लोग आपको practice के लिए देने वाले हैं, and that helps a lot. बिकॉज काफी सारे स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे होते हैं कि वो अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते इन द बिगिनिंग टू इमीडिएटली इन्वेस्ट 2 lakhs 3 lakhs in airbrush in all the HD products, and they want to take a dip and then just check whether this suits my kitty, my budget of my clients. Okay, so before doing this course, आपके दिमाग में क्वेश्चन होगा कि 6 दिन में ये क्लास होता है क्या? जी हाँ, अगर आपका बेस अच्छा है, आपने पहले एक मेकअप का अच्छा क्लास किया है, उसके ऊपर आपका प्रैक्टिस अच्छा है, यू आर एग्जिस्टिंग मेकअप आर्टिस्ट, आपका एक अच्छा पोर्टफोलियो है, you have regular customers coming in, you have a clientele who's demanding HD makeup, demanding airbrush makeup, then this class is for you. Okay, then you will learn the oily, glossy, glowy kind of looks, what are shimmers, glimmers, glitters, corrective makeup for acne and pigmented skin, knowledge on how to use corrector. So we have been taking the Brazilian eye techniques and the Brazilian contouring techniques, reverse foundation techniques also in this class. Then nude base. So what is exactly nude base? Can you really do it on any kind of skin? And the answer is no. So you need to learn exactly कौन से type की skin चाहिए if you want to give this world class results of a nude skin or a no makeup look. And it requires a lot of technique, preparation, and a lot of skill. Doing nude makeup is not at all easy. I think it's the most difficult. If the skin is not that good, then it's the most difficult. If the skin is good, then you are lucky both ways. Yeah. Then, so you need to learn के client के requirement के हिसाब से उनकी skin है क्या, और उसके ऊपर मुझे कौन से technique, कौन से primer, कौन से products use करने हैं. Eyebrow grooming and eyebrow framing. So if you have seen the part 1, you learn the eyebrow grooming in that, but in this you learn the framing technique also. Then we give you a lot of inputs on creative eye makeups, जो basic 4 international eye forms है, फिर smoky eyes क्या है, fishtail क्या है, what is a gothic kind of look, what is a cut crease, heavy cut crease क्या है, Brazilian eye makeup techniques क्या है, and a lot of inputs are given. See, I am a big believer of, अगर आप एक makeup course कर रहे हो तो you should be perfect in makeup. You should not be perfect in a bridal makeup. या थोड़ा आगे जाके you should not be a perfect in Maharashtrian bridal makeup. This is a big blunder people are playing in the market, and makeup artists भी demand करते हैं कि आपके workshop में आप full look करके दिखाओगे क्या? And the answer is no. This is purely to get your makeup skills updated. This course is not to show you one Marwadi bride or a Gujarati bride or a Sindhi bride, because makeup is makeup, hair is hair, and costume is costume. So all three are at different places. But if you get everything right, then you achieve a perfect look. So makeup course can never be a complete, bridal look, but we will give you a lot of inputs in how you're going to achieve it. Then, what are heavy contours? What are reverse foundation techniques? So you will learn 100% water resistance and waterproof base. Provided your basics are perfect, you will understand it very well. What is a baking technique? सारे skins पे baking करना है? जी नहीं. There are certain skins on which the baking will break out. It will show a lot of cakiness. So you will perfectly learn baking technique किसके ऊपर करना है. Then, how to fix the lenses in the easiest way, because ये भी लोगों को एक basic advanced या bridal course करके नहीं समझ में आता है. So we are going to teach you. Then perfect way of applying a eyelash, including what kind of perfect glue, the international brands, what we use. Then makeup, when it comes to a airbrush makeup nowadays, you have to know the mechanism of machine. You have to know how it works, what is the mixing, how to clean it, different types of machine like Temp2, then Krylon, or any kind of local machine. What is the difference between that? Okay, you will learn everything in that, including the practice. So even for your airbrush makeup, we are going to give you the practice, products, everything in hand. सो ऐसे नहीं है कि एयर ब्रश आपको बस दिखाएंगे, मैम दिखाएंगे और आप करोगे. नो, we are going to give it to you in hand to practice for all the days. So if you still feel कि ऐसे कैसे होगा, because lot of people don't believe us, क्योंकि ऐसे कुछ classes है जो हाथ में मशीन नहीं देते. So I will request you to watch all the testimonials what we have posted on Instagram and on YouTube about what our students want to share about the class. Then many techniques are covered with proper product knowledge to enhance creativity. Inputs will be given on earlier makeup knowledge to make it more better. So this class is not like we are going to just dump in all the knowledge what is there in the syllabus. We will, it's like coaching. It's not like a training program where class में 20, 30, 40 students है and we are just going with some lessons and some practicals. No, this is coaching. This is a lot of one-on-one. So we will be giving you a lot of one-on-one suggestions. We will be giving you a lot of one-on-one inputs कि आपका पहले के मेकअप में क्या गलत जा रहा है और यहाँ से आप आगे कैसे जा सकते हो with the HD products or the new product range what you are learning. Then this is the product. These are the actual pictures. These are not Google downloaded pictures. These are the actual pictures of products what we give you for practice. तो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे Morphe है, NYX है, MAC के लिपस्टिक्स है, Pro Arte है, Amberish Cosmetics, Bobbi Brown limited edition lipsticks, MAC strobe creams, MAC foundations, Morphe foundations, then different kind of compacts, Flormar है, Urban Decay hai. If you go to this slide, you can see NYX, MAC palettes, PSC, so many products, Huda Beauty, Morphe again, Urban Decay, NYX, and there are more products, but we couldn't accommodate in these few slides. So these are all आपको हाथ में मिलेंगे. You are going to practice on the same products on which I am going to teach you the makeup. ऐसे नहीं है कि टीचर सिखाते वक्त हाई एंड प्रोडक्ट पे काम करेंगे एंड स्टूडेंट को प्रैक्टिस के लिए एक लो लेवल के प्रोडक्ट्स दिए हैं. जी नहीं, दैट्स व्हाट यू कैन से it will create a big blunder in understanding, and this is happening with lot of students कि वो जहाँ पे क्लास करते हैं उनको एक किट दी जाती है, या जनरली स्टूडेंट्स इन्वेस्ट इन अ वेरी स्मॉलर किट और दे डोंट अफोर्ड इन these good products. घर वाले भी इतना सपोर्ट नहीं करते स्टार्टिंग की क्लास में एंड दे एंड अप बाइंग द लोकल मार्केट वंस, और उनका रिजल्ट कभी भी वर्ल्ड क्लास नहीं आता है जैसे आप सोशल मीडिया पे देख रहे हो आजकल. सो गाइस, इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट आपके प्रोडक्ट रेंज क्या है. योर product speaks a lot in all your photographs, on the skin and on the overall look. So don't underestimate. कोई आपको ऐसे बोल रहा है कि products important नहीं है, technique important है. No, technique is equally important like how much product is important. Yeah. Now, so as I said, all products will be given. There are few products like Victoria's Secrets, Urban Decay, Farsali, PSC. There are a number of products which I cannot, explain everything in this small presentation. Then this is our address. This video was about the offline class. We also offer all online courses. So this exact course is available online also at much lesser price. All other courses, right from the basic beauty, hairdressing or spa course, everything we have online and offline with unlimited access. Yes, generally what happens is when people give you online course, they give you one-time access, or they just give you like 1 month access, but all our online courses are like a long-term access. तो आप कोई job करके सीख रहे हो, college करके सीख रहे हो, आपके घर पे बच्चे हैं, you cannot, give so much of time in online learning. You get the videos for longer duration to watch it at your own disposal. Then there is a question, कि ma'am, can I directly do this? The suggestion is no. Don't do this class directly अगर आपको कोई makeup background नहीं है. There are few people who just come for fun and then they say I love airbrush makeup, मुझे just take देखना है and I don't want to be a makeup artist. Then yes, then it's okay. But if you're looking for earning money on this course, then आपके थोड़े basics अच्छे होने चाहिए. You can start with our basic to bridal 6 days masterclass, and then थोड़ा practice करके you can come to the airbrush masterclass. Okay, so there are many more videos on my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please do subscribe for such informational videos on our courses also and on treatments and makeup also. Do follow me on Instagram by the name Kalyani_Umrani. Do comment in the comment box what are your needs, what exactly you want in education. आप कहाँ पे काम करते वक्त आपको challenges है, आप कहाँ अटक रहे हो, मुझे आगे जाना है. Please put on your comments and I would love to come back and answer. So thank you for watching this and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.